Once upon a time, there was a bird called Red. And here is another bird. His name is Chuck. Your benches came on side. The birds don't talk. They just go like that sound, like a pig. There is a pig. Goes. He likes to eat the birds. He oinks like that, weirdly. The birds are really scared, and there is a pig. And the pig doesn't talk as well. He always oinks. But he tried to eat the birds and ran away from the bird's cell. But he tried to chase the birds, but he left one another. He certainly loved trespass, jumping over the rain and trip and slip and fell into the mud. He was trying to find the birds, but he couldn't find anywhere. But there were them. Piggy's gonna eat them. They're screaming. The birds are screaming. The pig loves to eat birds, but he couldn't. Because that's why the birds didn't like getting eaten. But they just had to eat it anyway. The pig went in that lovely dip hole. Chuck didn't decide for a lovely left thing. He bashes into window and broke. He write down on the board. But he can't, because birds don't write down on boards in real life for a lovely thing. Like the real birds, they do fly like eagles. Eagles do fly like this. One of our birds could fly like this. They could fly like this. They make that sound like this. Birds fly and being happily ever after, and that thing, the bird sinks down. The pig eventually jumps out of their sheds. Hey you! You should be in the mud! I'm not fighting you. Oh dear, they're trying to eat the birds on the top. Could he eat birds on the top? No, he cannot. He wants to eat birds off the floor. Fortunately, they run away. If they eat these, the birds have to run away, but they never eat them. Every time with all birds shaking, they chase the pig. They took a pig away, like to the death trap of water. In 3, 2, and 1. Oh dear, that's not good. Let me try again. They have to try again. But later to splashed. The pig got splashed in mud for several years now. The next morning, the birds woke up. They had a lovely, beautiful day, had no piggies left. They had to go in a nice dry water pool. But then, they had to swim in the pool for the next day. Now there's that man coming. The lovely thing though, mighty man flies into the sky and kills some of the bones. But no one left there. The pig can't swim properly. But he just stepped out, jumped like a water praying. The praying face though, the pig tried to come out of the pool, but he comes out to try to eat the birds from the pool. No, you don't, mister. You are going. Stay where you are. And, oh no, he has to try again as well. Oh dear. Yay! He done it! Then he's back to inside the sawdust shed. The sign follows the name of the company's brand. But then later, they had swim very loudly as possible. It's now time for the end of the story.